name is Nara Sofia binti Zulkarnain. Hello, my name is Ariba binti Hamisham. Hi, my name is Dania Batusha binti Hafizul. Hello, my name is Ainul Nazira binti Muhammad Nazri.
In this situation, we can see two players who are playing basketball. But they have forgotten how many points they have collected. After a few hours of playing basketball, their bodies start to heat up and they don't know what the current temperature is. Nor do they know the exact time they are done playing.
Our group made an innovation of digital clock named Opto Magnifier. The function of our project are to facilitate the visual representation of information or early warning indication. Then, Opto Magnifier function to enlarge an existing small electronic display to a large and clearer electronic display. Lastly, it will encourage the development of the use of new technologies in line with the development of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Have you ever had a difficulty to look from afar? Don't you think it's too small for us? To avoid these circumstances and make our life easier, we come up with a useful innovation project. It's called Opto Magnifier. Generally, human eyesight are limited to a certain point of view as we cannot see something so tiny and far from us. Based on this statement, we come up with a hypothesis that the further the human eyesight from an object, the smaller the object will be seen. So, we wanted to help humans to see multifunction digital clock more clearly. This will help humans to be more alert with their surroundings, as Opto Magnifier acts as four important elements, which were to show time, the exact temperature of the surrounding, to be a countdown, or even a timer or a scoreboard.
Our target for this project is in school. We choose students' daily life as our objective. As we are a boarding school student, we relate to this situation the most. Students need to alert about surrounding environment, especially time and temperature.
The components that we use are LDR resistor, LED, wire, transistor, strip board and NPN Darlington tip 120 transistor. Firstly, we will turn on the Wi-Fi and hotspot on the smartphone. Then, it will be connected to the 7 segments. These are the small 7 segments, and these are the sensors. We will control the display that comes out through the smartphone, and Opto Magnifiers still can be seen from far distance. Then, it shows from small display to the large display. The sensor will be placed on the 7 small segments, and the display will be moved to the 7 large segments.
Firstly, we will start with a countdown. Then, we will show this countdown from the small display to the large display. The sensor will be placed on the 7 small segments, and the display will be moved to the 7 large segments. We will start the countdown again. The project worked successfully.
Opto Magnifier will show current temperature. So when the temperature is high, we can open the giant fan to cool down the temperature. This product was specially designed using Internet of Things (IoT) and programmed Arduino to make connection between handphone and digital clock, in encouraging the development of new technologies in line with the development of Industrial Revolution 4.0.
주지 않아도 돼 전부 주고 싶은 걸
For the process, firstly, we sketch the idea for Opto Magnifier. Then, we sketch the model in computer software. To make the prototype more stronger, less cost, we use 3D printer and PLA as it filaments. We complete the product by designing the electronic circuit as shown in methodology. Finally, we produce electrical circuit based on materials and components set to let the electricity flow and switch on the infrared strips. The construction and installation process is by connect all the plastic components using hot glue gun, while the electrical components are connected with soldering iron. After all the components are connected, we install the electrified circuit to the components that have been complete. After making sure all the materials and components are installed correctly without short circuit, we test the product to our target place, such as our school's hall. Diagram below shows the final product of Opto Magnifier that has been tested successfully and the circuit connection to sensors halls.
We aim to sell Opto Magnifier to institutes such as school, stadium, and train station. Thus, the cost of our products or the image displayed is 3 times larger and clearer than normal digital clock sold in market. Next, this product will reduce our cost when we use 3D printer and environmentally friendly. Then, this product also portable and light that it's easy to carry around. And lastly, it could provide early warning of disasters to humans. With all these benefits listed, we hope this product could provide a lot of benefits and give a big impact in our daily life.